guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how you can style a black crop top in 12 different ways. Yes, it's all about making the maximum use of your outfits. And let's get started. So the first look is where you style your black crop top with a palazzo, and make sure your palazzo is sort of a loose fit so that it really balances out with the fitted crop top. And this is something which is very effortless, very comfortable, and it will take you anywhere. The next look is you style your black crop top with an A-line skirt, and now, as the word suggests, an A-line skirt is fitted at the waist and it is loose from the bottom. It is perfect for pear-shaped girls. Now, I've styled this look as if you're going out shopping or running errands. So I wore my platforms, started with a sling bag, and of course, when you're going out, you definitely want to wear your mask these days also. So I thought I'll show you the complete look with a mask. The third look looks formal, but it's actually a party look, which is the pantsuit look. It is so in trend, so edgy, so stylish, and I think any girl can sort of don this. Even if you want to stay on the modest side, you can wear this and still look very, very stylish. And you won't believe, guys, each and every piece is different. They are not paired together. But since they are the same color, I paired them together and nobody would know. You can also use a contrast crop top inside, a neutral color, let's say a black or a brown, gray, and it will still look very, very edgy. The next look is to wear a crop top with a sharara, and this is now the ethnic look. This is something which is very girly, very effortless, perfect for summers. It's very, very comfortable, and it is for one of those Sangeet functions, but you can also wear this on other occasions. I have styled this with minimal makeup and two different jewelry sets actually. One is a complete set and the other one is danglers, so both of them go really well with it. Now, if you want to style a little modest, so you can just add a dupatta with this look, and like I've taken a velvet dupatta. It is going to keep you warm, so you can even add a shawl if you want to wear the same look, let's say in winters, so you will stay comfortable, and this is something most girls can wear. Bring out your inner Punjabi with a dhoti salwar and you can look effortlessly modern, voguish. You're not putting any effort into your styling, but just wearing a dhoti salwar with a crop top, this can take you to functions like Mehendi and Sangeet, where you want to dress a little differently. Now, if you haven't noticed already, the sweetheart neckline of this crop top makes it very beautiful as a blouse, and it is very, very comfortable. Even the fabric of the crop top can go really well with the chiffon sari. I have ditched the earrings and opted for the statement choker, and that's all you need for this look. You don't want to go extra, and this is something which is going to make you look very, very polished. Now, who said we cannot style crop tops with silk saris? Now, this sari has shades of black, as you can see, and it looks really gorgeous with this black crop top. I got inspired by the South Indian way of draping, and I put a bindi also. So guys, with a crop top, you can also go very, very traditional, and nobody can tell that you've actually styled it with a crop top. So this garment in your closet can work for modern styles as well as traditional styles. Now, this is something I've tried many times in the past, and it is perfect if you're in a rush. Just wear a crop top with a nice ethnic skirt and you are good to go. Now, the next look is to wear an ethnic jacket over the same, and this style, I believe, is so modern and it is so comfortable. Perfect for the girl who wants to show less skin. And here you can show how many colors you can pair together. As you can see, I have paired 3 different colors and they complement each other so well. Again, the next style is something which I have worn many times, works for most body types. You can drape with a dupatta, it looks traditional, it looks beautiful. Perfect for Indian functions which are so rushed, so this look is on the go. Now the last look is for the fashionista. It's great to look taller. It accentuates your empire waist, therefore you look slimmer. It's great for generous breasted ladies, and you can even ditch the added accessories. And with this look, you are definitely going to make heads turn. It's young, it's glamorous, it's sophisticated, and it definitely makes a statement. So I hope you try something like this. So that's it, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on the social media links given in the description box. Make sure you comment down below your suggestions and your feedback, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.